That's why butterfly.
Kaka-art, kaka-art, kaka-art.
Hi everyone, for those who doesn't know me, my name is Jasper Sohot and I'm new here in content creation or in YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed in my YouTube channel, you can click the button and click the notification bell for, para maging updated kayo sa mga videos natin. And syempre sa mga kanal humors natin. So, and anyway, it's been a while since my first vlog. So it's almost two months ba? Yeah, it's almost 2 months. But before nyo ma-watch yon, um yeah, just finish this video today dahil meron tayong time and at maraming dating mga friends natin nagcha-chat na nasa na yung next vlog na parang sikat ba yung friend nila. So anyway, ang vlog natin ngayon is kita nyo naman, nandito tayo sa gilid ng or front ng subdivision. So it means hindi ito travel vlog. But this vlog is what we call spend your weekend with me or how I spend my weekend. So it's either of the two. So kayo na lang magpili. So just comment down below.
Sir, tapos na po.
Kilometers. 42 hours.
Mag-walking. Warm up lang muna before tayo mag-run. Start na lang ako mag-jog. It's video here kasi medyo nakakahiya. Mas nakakahiya ito. 'Di ba? Magjo-jogging lang atake pero nainggit pa talaga. Sana all.
Kilometers. Ay, wow. Thirsty. 42 hours.
Ayun, kasi hindi natin kaya consistent na mag-run. Daming tao. Actually, this is the place that I always go when I go for running. Tapos gusto ko lang tumambay kahit gabi. Kasi ang medyo tahimik siya, although malapit siya sa mga bahay na subdivision and the highway. But still, it's good to be here para maglabas ang stress or mga iniisip. Ang ganda ng time na pag-jog natin ngayon. Ang sarap na lang manood than running. This is our last round. So patapos na tayo. So cool down. And let's end our Saturday with a bang. guys, good morning everyone. Happy Sunday. And I'm on my way to church. Malapit lang naman sa bahay. So mga ano lang, less than 100 steps lang. So I hope that you attend church services as well. It's good for our mental health. So we're going to SM after service. Since hindi ko nakuhaan yung exact time here sa video, but decided na umupo na lang to think about ano pa ang mga kailangan ko before akong pumasok sa cinema since 3 p.m. pa naman ang showing ng movie na papanoorin ko. And nag-reply din ako ng mga text messages or chat ng mga friends ko here. Ayan na naman siya, F na F, wala namang pera.
Kain, i-rate natin siya. Ba't i-rate mo? Wala akong pakialam, self. Bakit nagagalit ka na naman, self? Gusto ko lang explain bakit mo i-rate. O bakit? Ano ba sama doon? Sa tingin mo may karapatan ka na sabi-sabihan ako? Oo, dahil self kita.
Natungo tayo. Ikaw ang kanungan na nahanap ko. Kahit na
So, ayan nga guys, this is one of the things that I do, especially na Saturday and Sunday. And when it comes na may gusto akong panoorin na movie, so I really love watching Filipino movies and also listening to OPM music. And this is also my me time na every weekends lumalabas talaga ako or may ginagawa talaga ako para to remind myself that I'm still a human, na hindi lang puro trabaho, hindi lang puro stress. And nga, there's a lot to appreciate in this world, and there's a lot to do and to be happy and to be grateful because God was given us the opportunity to experience. Kasi before, one of my dream is to watch in the cinema libre pa ng best friend ko and nung pinsan niya or nung tita niya. So, and pagpag yung pinanood naman. Now I'm alone. it was a fun weekend. You're trying to think or stress is buhay and trying to figure out about your life. I hope hopefully makapag-me time din kayo para makapag-isip-isip, and at the same time to remind yourself uh, nasa mundong malaki yung mundo natin, and marami tayong opportunities to experience kahit maganda and masama pa yan, or happy or sad pa yan. But it's also to remind us to na kailangan din natin ma-experience yun to process our emotion, our mind, and our body, na tao tayo, and we need to learn, or we have to learn about those things or experiences. So yon, if you're watching this, I hope that I encourage you to prioritize yourself as well, and while helping or working for your family, for yourself, or everything. But yon, self-care is very important. So sana magkaroon din kayo ng self-care or me time din kahit papano. So yan. And sorry guys kasi hindi ko nadala yung mic ko. So hopefully marinig niyo lang yung mga sinabi ko kanina. And yeah, 5 PM naman. So I'll try to find a cafe kasi busog na busog ako dahil marami akong kinain kanina. Pero hindi na ako nag-lunch. Nag-breakfast na lang ako. But hopefully we can find a cafe here or to buy a cup of coffee, and baka may friends din tayo na makakasalubong here. So let's see you on the next clip. Hello guys, good morning everyone. Ay, good noon na pala dahil 12 PM na. And today is Monday and it's raining, so as what I've said yesterday, dapat pupunta tayo ng Robinson. However, hindi tayo nakapunta. It's because of bagyo and raining. That's why butterfly.
So, if that's the case, pencil case.
Alam mo ba, super funny mo, like super duper nakakatawa ka, and you always make me laugh. Lagi akong natatawa sa'yo. Pwede ka na maging komedyante. Bakit hindi ka na lang mag-drop out ng college at maging komedyante ka na lang, since napakagaling mo sa ginagawa mo.
And pauwi na rin ako and from our barangay. So I just got a papers lang. May kinuha lang ako. And then yan, bumili ng bread. I hope that that you have a courage and you also realize na me time, self-reflect, and also do the things that hindi nyo kayang magawa noon, pero ngayon kaya nyo na, kahit mag 2, 3, 4, kahit ilang beses pa yan. Just do it for yourself and not for others. Kahit yun nga, may narinig kayo sa ibang tao, don't mind them. Just be yourself and heal, and mawi kayo sa sarili nyo, lalo na pag breadwinner kayo. I hope that you enjoy this video, and para sa mga mga ganong vlog or ganitong vlog, may mga Saturdays vlog or weekends vlog natin. So just comment lang kayo. And yeah, let's try to do those mga requests ninyo. And hopefully maging consistent na ako sa pag-film and pag-upload ng vlog. So hopefully hindi tayo ma-busy sa work. So that's it, and have a great day guys, and God bless always. Goodbye.